breaking earthquake rocks Japan and sparks tsunami fears. The quake struck on the east coast of the country at 2:37 am local time. It measured 6.2 on the Richter scale, the U.S. Geographical Society, USGS, confirmed. Its center sits 200 miles east of Fukushima nuclear plant, prompting fears for the permanently closed facility. It has not yet emerged what damage, if any, the earthquake has caused. The earthquake struck less than 24 hours after a horror megaquake rocked Mexico City and left hundreds dead. The quake also hit hours after a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck south of New Zealand. Fears for the Fukushima plant come just 6 years after a devastating 90 magnitude quake hit Japan, killed 4 people and caused a nuclear meltdown. The plant suffered radiation leaks as a result of a tsunami sparked by the quake, and triggered a 30 km evacuation zone. And because the leaks continue to this day, there is now a 20 km no-go area which may only be entered under government supervision. This was the most significant nuclear incident since the Chernobyl disaster, in 1986. Aloft, there have been no fatalities linked to radiation since the accident. The number of cancer deaths caused by the accident is reported to be between 130 and 640. But despite fears of a tsunami sparking further risks to the plant, it has been reported experts believe this quake poses no such danger.